Attention marketers, want extra traffic and more profits during this pandemic time? As you probably already know that paid traffic is fast, converts, and you can get it going in hours, not days. Every marketer worth their salt knows about Google Ads, but many of them overlook Microsoft Ads, formerly Bing Ads, and its unique network of users. But Microsoft advertising presents a fantastic opportunity to generate leads at a relatively lower cost, and that's something all advertisers should take note of.
In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at Microsoft Ads dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So once you log into your Microsoft Ads account, this is how your dashboard will look like. First, you have an overview about performance with spend, clicks, conversions and impressions. Then we have this line graph. When you hover over to these points, you can see the spend with clicks. Then below we have recommendations. From here you can import campaigns from Facebook ads. After that, we have a list of all your campaigns with name, spend, clicks and impressions. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to bulk edit campaign budget, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then campaigns from overview. Here you'll get a list of all your campaigns, select as many as you want to edit, and go to edit button on top. Click on its arrow and from here select change budgets. Then select your action as set, increase or decrease and enter your daily budget. Click on question button and it says you can set budgets for multiple campaigns from here. Then select increase in action, after that enter your daily budget, then select maximum budget and enter your maximum budget. Deselect maximum budget to set the amount.